Hi guys, so I just wanted to update you and let you know how everything's going. I'm doing really well and I have finally given myself a full head of dreadlocks. It's something I wanted to do for so long. I've had partial dreadlocks for over 2 years now and I've always wanted to give myself a full head of dreadlocks, but I just stopped myself from doing it, and I finally just took the plunge and just did it a couple weeks ago, and it's one of the best things that I've decided to do, and I feel so comfortable. Like, it's just so much easier with my lifestyle, and I just feel like it was just the right thing to do, and I wanted to show you what they look like. So I'm sat in front of my ring light right now. I'm gonna get quite sweaty. So you can see the difference between the new dreads on the top. It's so nice. I can't believe I finally did my whole head, because I've always left out that top part of my hair to have like the loose hair at the front, just like overlap all the dreads. So now it's like a full head. Wow, so pretty. I also touched up the colour with the Wella Colour Touch. Oh my god, it's just so hot at the moment. I'm just sweating. So I recently re-dyed my hair with the Wella Colour Touch semi-permanent colour in number 8/0, and I just love how it just gives it that natural blonde, but it's not too like platinum, because it's just very hard to maintain a platinum hair, and I didn't want to keep bleaching my hair anymore. So you can see my roots have grown out pretty much like 2 inches now. I just feel so, oh my god, like looking at myself in the viewfinder, I just feel so like, you know when you kind of imagine yourself with a certain style and you've always wanted it but you've never done it? Like, it's finally like that. I can just actually see myself with it. Like, what? So I'll give you a closer look what the dreads look like close up. So you can see the top dreads, they're definitely baby dreads. They're maturing. So these are just over 2 weeks old now. So the bottom dreads I've had for just over a year, and I extended them a few months ago with the new human hair extensions. But you can see when they're put all together. I'm so glad that I did it. Like, no regrets. It just makes everything feel a lot more easier to do. I just feel so comfortable now when I wake up. When I wake up in the morning, I don't have to brush my hair anymore. I don't have to spend like hours trying to wash it and then blow dry it and then, you know, just get it how I want it without it looking untamed sort of thing. Having this hair colour as well, it just makes me feel a lot better. Like, I loved having blue hair, purple hair and turquoise, just all the colours, but I just felt like it was time now to just kind of settle for a colour for a longer time rather than like a few weeks. So I've just been excited for this whole dreadlock journey, because I know they're just constantly going to be changing, and even in a few more weeks when they mature a little bit more, they're just going to look so much different, and they're already starting to get like wavy little lumpy bumpy stuff in them, and I just love it. I just love the process of them. So the texture of the bottom dreads, because I've had them for way longer than the top, they are a lot firmer, but I'm just kind of getting used to the texture, getting used to the firmness of the hair, because the top ones feel nice and soft and flexible because they're quite new. So I've tried not to constantly maintain them with a crochet hook, because there's something I overdid last time. I just maintained them too much and I kind of got a bit like OCD obsessive with it, because I just felt like when I was anxious I would play with my dreads and it would just get very tight on the scalp, and the tension would kind of irritate my skin on my neck and things. So like, I'm trying to get more patience, and I just don't want to do any maintenance to them. Maybe like every month or two, just kind of like tighten the roots up just to separate them. But apart from that, I really just want to let them do their own thing and just kind of be really natural. And yeah, so I have some plans to make dreadlock journey videos, and this would be like 2 weeks into the full head of dreadlocks, so you can just compare the difference. So in like a few more weeks I'll do another one and you can see what they're gonna look like and how they're gonna change over time. So I just think that would be really interesting to see. So I did leave the ends with loose hair, So about this much of hair isn't dreaded, just so it gives it that more flowy look. Oh my god, I love them so much. Whew. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to update you and let you know how I've got a full head of dreadlocks, and I've just been enjoying the process, and yeah, just getting used to what I look like and feeling comfortable with myself. So I had a few of you guys message me on Instagram and you really wanted to have dreadlocks, but you're not sure like how, or like if you're going to, or like if it's a good idea. I would just say do it. Like if it's something you've always wanted to do, you shouldn't let anything stop you from doing it. And at the end of the day, if you wanted to do it so badly, like nothing should stop you from doing it. Stay positive, stay open-minded, and everything will be fine. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you're all doing well. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys. Woo!